So like, is this the third time that I have made an intro in the car because I forgot to film an intro? Yes. Am I gonna keep doing this? Probably. Hey loves, it's me, the Color Queen, and I'm starting a new series. Yeah, it's really exciting. This is now my second series that I'm doing on this channel. The first one was Let's Fix a Cosplay. The second one now is the Rainbow series, and honestly I was inspired by Graveyard Girl because she was talking about how she wanted to do an all red makeup tutorial, and so I was like, oh yeah, that'd be cool. And what would it be like if I did it for every single color, and then at the very end of the series, iconic, I guess, rainbow eye makeup look. A lot of people did ask me about how I do my rainbow makeup, and so I was like, you know what, let's do that, and let's just do like a little build up to it as well. So like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, and then rainbow at the very end. So this is the first one in the series, and it is called Red. Hope you enjoy. As usual, we start out with primer and foundation. I'm not a primer person, I am a foundation person though, so we're gonna put on that first. Next, we put on the eye primer. And then we put on the powder to set everything. Time for some contour. I take my taupe shade and I put it along my cheekbones, around my nose, and underneath my lip to give myself a bigger looking lip. I also dust a little bit on my forehead so I don't look so pale. I don't think it worked. Next, I put on some blush. This is my pinkish reddish blush that I decided to go with, and I just put it on the apples of my cheeks and move it upwards towards my cheekbones. I also dust a little bit on the tip of my nose. Next, I take a pink highlight shade and I put it all over my cheekbones. I put it down the bridge of my nose and I put it on my Cupid's bow. I also hit the center of my chin and through my forehead as like a Simba effect, I guess. Now before I get to my eyes, I need to darken my eyebrows, so I take this nice matte red shade and fill in my eyebrows so that way they are nice and red. Now on to the eyes. I take the lightest red shade in this palette that I'm using and put it all over my lid as a base. Next, I take a deeper matte red and put it all over my crease and blend it out. Next, I take a bright satin red and put it on the lid to give it a nice shimmer. I then take a shimmery pinky red and put it in my inner corners as well as my brow bones. Next, I mix the darkest shades in the palette and put it underneath my eye as to act as an eyeliner. I'll get back to the eyes in a second, but for now I'm lining my lips with red and then putting my red lipstick on. I felt like my eyes were not shimmery enough, so I took a red shimmer and just placed it right in the center of my eyelids to give it a little more of a sparkle. Then I tightlined with some brown eyeliner. Then I curled my lashes and put on some mascara. And here's the final look.